Good day everyone, this is Born Batanes once again and samahan niyo po ulit ako sa isa na namang episode ng pagluluto. Today we are going to make a French crepe. Now the recipe is really simple. We need 250 grams of flour, 3 eggs, pinch of salt, 50 centiliters of milk, and butter for later use. Now the recipe, as usual, will be written on the description box below. Now as you can see, I weigh my flour and I will mix the 3 eggs together with the milk. Now your milk should be cold. Just like that. We clean up a little bit, remove the mess in front. So we have our space, and then the flour and salt is mixed together. And now we will add the milk and egg mixture a little bit at a time. Now we want to mix it properly in every addition so that we won't have lumps of flour later when we start to cook. Just like that. And the last drop of milk. And we mixed it well until you get the runny consistency. And after that, we cover it and set it aside for at least an hour before cooking. And that's done. Now we cover it with cling wrap and set it aside. Now you might be wondering, why do I have 2 bowls of mixture? Now this one is gluten-free. I'm gonna write the recipe down below and you can save it for later use. And now we start cooking. We warm up our pans, wipe it with a little bit of butter, and then we scoop the mixture and pour it in the pan and just swirl it around. Now this doesn't really look good because the first time that you do it, it might not be as good as you expect. Now the farther left pan is the normal one, and the one in front is the gluten-free. Now a little tip. When can you flip your crepe? When it starts pulling off the pan. If you see the edges starts pulling off the pan, then you can start flipping it like that. And then you cook it until it's golden brown on the other side. Just like that. And the heat should be not too low, medium low should be okay, but depending on your pan, depending on the pan that you're using, you might want to check because sometimes it burns really fast. Now we make another one. Now you want to mix your mixture every time you scoop up, especially with the gluten-free recipe because the flour tends to go at the bottom. Now this one looks really nice. I would love to show the trick where you just flip the pan and the crepe flip by itself, but I don't know how. So I'll just use my spatula. Now we do a few batches, a few pieces, so you see how it looks. Now, me personally, I like the normal crepe because it tastes better. But gluten-free is not bad either. If you're on the healthier side, you might want to try the gluten-free. Now it takes some time to cook the crepe because it's really thin, and if you make a big batch, you're gonna end up standing too long in front of your stove. But the good thing with this is that you can keep the mixture in the fridge and cook the next day if you don't want to finish it in one go. Now I think we are on the last piece of our gluten-free crepe. And of course, we always clean up as we go. So that's it. We are done cooking our crepe. And that's our finished product. They are beautiful. They are thin and light. So now this is how the French eat their crepe. So we put a little bit of butter in the pan. You put the crepe in. You put ham and cheese. And then you do it just like that. Now, this one is another variation of how you eat the crepe. The French call it complète. It means complete, with ham and egg and cheese in it. So you warm up your crepe, you cook your egg as you like it. Me personally, I like it a bit runny. Now you put the ham, the cheese, and egg on top of your crepe, and you fold it like that. Normally, they don't flip it, but because I'm the one eating, I flip it. And the reason is, I want the egg yolk to be cooked a bit more. Now, the French eat crepe savory and sweet. So for the dessert, we just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice and sprinkle it with brown sugar. And then you just fold it just like that. And look how beautiful that is. And let's make another batch of dessert. This is the normal crepe. Squeeze the lemon, sprinkle the sugar, fold it like that. And we are going to make the gluten-free crepe for dessert as well. Lemon, sugar, and fold it. Now you can put anything you want for the dessert. You can put Nutella, jam, anything that you might think of. And that's it, we're done. Thank you for joining me once again, and I hope to see you on my next video. God bless. Bye-bye.